Okay, so hi everyone. So my name is Shweta and today I'm gonna share my first job experience where I joined as an intern. So when I joined as an intern, I was full of enthusiasm, enjoyment. I thought whatever I have learned, whatever I have read in my books, I'm gonna experience it now. And when I joined actually the office corporate work that time, I think it was not the COVID time. It was like mid of COVID because I joined at 2021 January, and I know like for 2-3 months I have to go office regular basis being an intern, and how I manage my stuff and everything with a little penny of amount, but yes, I managed it, and this is something that I learned from my internship and job. Apart from this, when you enter in an internship, you don't expect that you will be converted or not, right? But after 3 months, when I got full-time job there only, and in 3 months I learned a lot of what is exactly the public speaking is, how to connect with the candidates, because being an HR and the foundation of recruitment has there only, I found ki how to connect with the candidates, how to pitch about the company, how to connect with them, and how to make them engaged till the roll out the offer and make them person joining. And when I remember I joined there in Jan, and within a month, I think it is around 10-15 days. Like I joined at the end of January, so it's within 10 to 15 days I make one offer, and that was very niche position. I was not aware of that position is since open since last 3-4 months, and was not able to fulfill it, and I was the first one to fulfill it, and I am really got shocked, because I don't know what is exactly it is, how it happens, everything. It's just that I called the person and he was interested, and everything went well, the interviews process, offer, everything, and he joined. So it was something that I learned ki sometimes you have to be sometimes you are a person to fulfill that things in a second, or sometimes it takes you a year and year also. So it depends on the position, depends on the luck, depend on the works we do and the efforts. Apart from this, when that person joined, he was my first joiner in the recruitment industry, and I always appreciate him, and he always remind me that yeah, I was the best HR that he interacted with till the date. And this is something that I love. And even I have a kind of a comments that I got from the people, the compliment I would consider that whenever they have a talk with me, they think that I'm more mature enough, but actually I'm not. Nobody has seen the funny side of me, and 3 months I have not done a single fun in that office. Believe me, I was just being a girl who just go office, work, and come back to home, even not sharing with anything, even not sharing food, anything. There was nothing I would